Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best weed torch you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Red Dragon VT1 23 Seaweed Torch Dragon. If you're looking for a top-rated weed torch, you might want to consider the Red Dragon Propane Vapor Torch Kit. Users love the handiness of this yard tool, but some complain about the size of the wand. This product is a propane torch kit that can, it is said, quickly hook up to any refillable propane tank. As the manufacturer boasts, this torch kit has plenty of power and generates heat up to 2000 F. This item might be a good choice for homeowners or landscapers who want to kill weeds safely and naturally without herbicides. The general user consensus concerning the Red Dragon Propane Weed Torch is that it is a great garden tool. Purchasers appreciate its good quality, as well as that it is well made, safe to operate and easy to use. However, some buyers complain that the wand is a bit too short. Another complaint regards the adjustment valve, which purchasers wish was relocated since it is in an awkward location right at the top of the foam handle. The advantage of a torch bell with a larger diameter is that you'll be able to see off large expanses of weeds double quick. The 33.5-inch handle gives you more than enough room for comfortable maneuver. Rated at 500,000 BTU, you'll enjoy a wonderfully intense flame, but you'll have the freedom to dial things back thanks to a squeeze valve included. This allows you to moderate the flames, saving you cash over time as you won't be burning through propane needlessly. Pros: well made, safe operation, easy to use, great quality, conservative. Complaint. Number 2. Mag Torch IMT 5000 High Output Weed Burner Torch. It comes to getting a comfortable grip, then the Mag Torch comes to my mind. It works with a minimum of 20 pounds. This adds to an attached POL bulk tank for easy movement when working in your garden or at home. Although the product does not feature an automatic ignition switch, it comes with a spark lighter for easy lighting. The item comes with a 61-inch CSA certified hose that connects to the torch and the tank. This propane torch is a hot flame thrower, which can produce up to 500,000 BTU. This makes it very useful for performing various tasks, such as roofing, burning brush piles on your garden, and melting ice. I recommend using this model with at least a 20-pound cylinder to avoid frequent refilling. The weed burner features a specific mechanism that makes the flame adjustable that caters to your preference and allows you to eradicate any types of weeds at ease. In addition to that, it melts any ice or snow blocking your driveways during the winter with very minimal effort. This innovative kit provides you with all the intensity you need to burn and exterminate tenacious weeds. It also comes with a spark lighter to ensure a safe and effortless ignition. Using the torch in a minimum of a 20-pound cylinder is highly recommended. This durable weed killer features a 61-inch hose and is versatile enough to accommodate any POL-style propane tank. The long-reach hose will provide you with better maneuverability while weeding. It limits the unnecessary bending and saves you from possible back pain as you get the job done. Number 3. Houseables Weed Torch Propane Burner. The Houseables Weed Torch Propane Burner is an easy-to-use weed killer that has become the preference to many gardeners. Featuring a reliable and adjustable flame, you can use it comfortably when eliminating weeds outdoors. Another useful feature you will surely love is the efficiency of its quick-fire ignition, making the job of eradicating weeds finish quickly. All you need to do is squeeze the trigger lightly, and the torch will fire right away. You can manage the torch by taking advantage of the control valve that regulates the precise pressure of the blaze, setting the flame's output to your preference. This weed burner is perfect for you if you have small hands. The weed killer is not only lightweight, but it also offers a superb balance and comfort while exterminating the weeds. The flamethrower tool features an ergonomic foam-padded handle that allows you to operate the weed flamer free from hand blisters, wrist stress, and will give you a weed-free landscape all year round. Another useful attribute of the Houseables weed burner propane torch is the long reach, limiting you from bending and the possibility of back pain while keeping you at a safe distance. Another beneficial aspect is that it eliminates the possibility of burning yourself when igniting the grill or a campfire. When weed elimination is complete, all you have to do is let the grass burner cool off by placing it in a well-ventilated area. Number 4. Red Dragon VT1 to 32C 25,000 BTU Mini Weed Dragon. It is the perfect equipment for small applications around the garden and home. I want to note that the item has a low heat production of 25,000 BTU. The Red Dragon Weed Torch also has a simple design so that the item easily fits in your hand even when you have attached the gas cylinder. This weed torch is designed for use with a 1-pound cylinder. It adds to its ease of handling. When the item is fully set up, it still maintains that compact and lightweight nature. The Red Dragon VT1 to 32C model has an extended arm made of durable steel. This way, you won't have to stretch too much when working in the garden or performing small tasks at home. Unfortunately, this model does not feature an automatic switch for lighting the flame. Therefore, you have to purchase a separate spark lighter for this purpose. Some of the added advantages of the VT1 to 32C propane torch is a non-slip grip and a flame-adjusting needle valve. The model torch also flaunts attributes of its extreme lightweight, it's user-friendly, ergonomic and has an exceptional value for money. The Lincoln Electric Torch Weed Burner is a pleasure to use for applications that require a large volume of heat. The torch is perfectly suitable for tasks like repairing road surfaces, removing paint, burning bushes, weeds, and stumps, melting snow and ice, roofing, melting tar and asphalt. Number 5. JJGeorge Weed Torch. If you have a small garden that is overrun with pesky weeds, the JJGeorge Weed Burner is powerful, portable, and easy to use. A great alternative to using toxic chemicals to kill weeds, the JJGeorge Weed Burner connects to a 14-ounce propane canister. It is user-friendly, with an ergonomic handle and a lightweight metal design. As it has an extended arm of 32 inches, you can kill weeds from a comfortable standing position. So there is no need to bend or crouch down as you transform your garden into a weed-free sanctuary. You can even use this versatile and portable weed burner to light charcoal on your barbecue or a campfire. Simple to use, there is no sparker or external lighter required as the weed torch is self-igniting. The flame valve allows you to adjust the flame from a pilot flame to a large flame that shoots out of the high-quality burner head. Very economical, the torch gives you up to an hour of weed burning time on a single propane canister. The JJGeorge Weed Torch features a straight-handle design with a contoured grip. This weed torch also makes starting it easy and safe, thanks to the built-in trigger start that's mounted on the barrel. With 32 inches, it's long enough to maintain a safe distance, but short enough for easy targeting of stubborn weeds. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.